What's up, Ultimate Fam? And you love the apartment?
Yeah.
And you love your room?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And your bed?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Been here. We come here every day for like 30 to an hour, right? No, not even an hour, like 30 minutes.
I mean, it depends because sometimes I work out here, you know. But we just like to come to not be at home. I don't know. It kind of like gives you a good mood to go take a walk.
Especially if you're not doing nothing at home and you want to go outside and get some fresh air. Coming to the dog park really.
This whole day, all I wanted to do was sleep. I just wanted to sleep. And then now that we're here, I have like mad energy.
Yeah, Ozzy, we trained him on how to go up this thing right here.
There's one on the other side that's more like steep. He did that out of nowhere. Like he ran and then he just went right over it.
That one right there. He went up this one, but then that one over there, we didn't know if he was gonna go up it. And that man ran up that John and came down mad fast. We was like, what? But yeah, so what thing was you gonna tell me, the challenge? Or whatever it was in the back.
Oh, they're not gonna know. You're gonna have to subscribe. And then next video, you'll see what challenge I told Brian that we're gonna do. It's gonna be fun, you're gonna love it.
So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. We almost at 6K. Ozzy found a tennis ball, we about to play. Let me show you guys what he learned. Ozzy. Look. Ready? Catch. Give me. Sit. Sit. Think it's because the tennis ball is like broken?
Sit.
Throw it, Mason. Throw it.
Sit.
Throw it. Throw it. Yeah, throw it.
Sit. That's too far.
Drop it.
Gimme.
Stop it. Right now. I didn't find the daddy ball.
Okay, let me see. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me paw. Give me paw again. Give me paw. Give me a paw. No, Mason, he'll do it. Give me a paw. Ready? Scoop it.
No, Mommy, not like that. It's fun.
I can do that.
Audie.
He said no.
That's what he usually do. He grabs the ball in his mouth when he gets it and he starts biting on it and breaking it. And Mason's bike is right here. Mason rides his bike up and down. But alright guys,
Hey.
this is what we've been doing. This is our life. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thank you guys for following us in our journey.
Bobby.
We got this amazing, beautiful dog.
Bobby.
We got this amazing, beautiful, annoying ass kid.
Bobby. Bobby.
What, baby?
Look at this.
And what? I didn't hear you.
And we got this beautiful, amazing, lovely,
Thank
you know,
you're so nice.
girl, you know what I'm saying? And you got this handsome, amazing, you know, boyfriend right here. That being said, like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next video.
Woohoo! Challenge. You ready?
Peace. I don't know, you guys ready? Subscribe.